Hey YouTube, my name is Nick, and in my last video I was showing off this 3D printed Panasonic Q Game Boy Player modification, which basically houses a real Game Boy Player inside of it, and I wanted to show it working in my last video, but I did figure out the problem, and as you can see, in comparison to my last video, you can see that the top lid now sits flush with the bottom of the Game Boy Player. And so now it's actually properly connected and it will work. And this also springs back as well. If I pull it, the eject mechanism, it's a little bit tough to get the game out because the tolerances are pretty tight, but if I let go, you can see it springs back, so that's working too. It wasn't really broken, I think it was just tight, but I need to put this down for a sec just so I can push the cartridge back in, because I will now demonstrate that this is working. And I have my no-label copy of Pokemon Sapphire here just to show you that I can swap games no problem, and that this is fully functional. So with that being said, I'm going to run the save game exploit now. And it should work. And there you have it. So I'll just play one level. Or I guess two, because I have to fight this enemy first. Okay. Immediate fail. Okay, he left, so now I can just try actually playing a level. Okay, this is a scrolling level. Oh, come on. It went the wrong way. No, hold on. Here we go. Oh, I overshot it. Okay, we're good. Okay, we're good. Uh-oh. Okay, good. I made it. Okay, I tried to jump on him and I almost died. But there you go. As you can see, it's working no problem. I'm just going to save here, and then I'm going to swap out the cartridge. Just to show you, of course, that it works like a normal Game Boy player does. So I'm going to hit reset, and then I'm going to try to quickly eject the game. Oh, it's too slow, I think. One more time. Okay, here we go. Got it. I'm going to hit reset once more. Alright. Now we're going to put in Sapphire. Alright, so Sapphire's in there. And as you can see, it works. Just going to show my team, and that will be the end of the video, because I basically just wanted to show that I got it to work, and that I was right, that my basic issue with why it wasn't working was because the lid wasn't flush with the bottom. So yeah, it's always something you have to be mindful of when you're 3D printing stuff like this. And there you go, that's the team I have for Pokemon Sapphire. So that's pretty much the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time.